Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel entry on Prizepicks and also going to go over some of the conditions to do this, okay? So you can only cancel, usually, cancel lineups within 5 minutes of submitting them. So if you want to cancel them, just click on the three dots on the top right of your open lineups tab and just click on cancel lineup, okay? And sometimes you can actually cancel after the standard 5 minutes, okay? But you can only do this if your lineup is marked as did not play and if no other picks in your lineup have started their respective games, okay? Then you can go ahead and cancel your lineup even after the 5 minute cancellation period expire. But there are some lineups you cannot cancel even within the 5 minutes, okay? So the lineups that include this are the in-game lineups that basically include the second half or fourth quarter projections and lineups where at least one game involving your picks has already started. So if a game has started in your lineup, any pick, then you cannot ask for a refund. So any lineup that meets these two criteria, considered final, you cannot get a refund. So it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.